Hey guys, here again teaching you some more movements. On this next one, we're going to go with side lying external rotations. During these, you need just a couple pieces of equipment, but light dumbbells will work. Heavier or balls, weighted balls will be okay too, or baseball players could use a baseball. You get my point. As long as we have somewhat of an object between a pound and a couple pounds, there's no need to overload this exercise. Your goal here is just to try to help aid the shoulder and tighten the capsule and allow for more stability of the joint through an external rotation. So what we like to do here is we will make sure that we're in a good position with our spine first before even performing this, so that our shoulder's in a better position prior to the movement. So we like to use a foam roller to support the neck. That way you're not just cranked off to the side. So supporting the neck here, getting the knees slightly bent, ankles slightly bent, and then making sure your opposite shoulder isn't too rolled out, but more directly underneath you. So in a sense, we want our hips lined up and our shoulders lined up, nothing too curved. Just again, helping aid the position and allow us to kind of stabilize a little easier. So again, goal here is to get the scap to pinch back, the humerus to stay in socket, and then take the forearm or the hand and rotate it up. And again, what's happening here is we're externally rotating our shoulder joint. And what happens with a lot of people though, is they crank through their wrist or they rotate using just their elbow, and they lose this idea of, I need to stay in socket. So what you'll see is a lot of humeral glide, a lot of humeral drift. So again, pinching the shoulder blades, engaging all the muscle stabilizers of the shoulder, allow it to stay in one spot, and now we're just gonna rotate up, rotate back. You can elevate the elbow slightly to get, again, a slightly better position for the shoulder, especially for those that have trouble finding the in-socket position. For more experienced people that know how to stay in socket, you can just keep it at the side. Again, light pause, increasing this. You'll feel a light little burn on the back side of your cuff here and on the side of your shoulder. Again, that's the side lying external rotation.